Welcome back, guys, to another episode of adding dumb shit to planes. What we managed to do this time is add another motor to the mini P-51. We're hoping it'll give it so much more power, and hopefully the battery won't explode from this. So let's go. Now I'm going to talk about how I made this monstrosity. So first I decapitated the top here. So I got inside the main motherboard, and then I connected to the power wires. Then I just wired them up to the motor, and now I got power. So now we got two motors wired up. As you can see, this one, as I spin it, generates electricity, spins the other one, so they're connected. And I also added this back wing because in the earliest version I tried it, it would just duck down like that because the motor would pull the nose down. So I had to add a back wing, so the air that it pushes back, it pushes against the wing and keeps it nice and leveled. So hopefully it'll work, and let's get to the flight out there, man. There we go. Yes.
Oh yes. Okay.
My wiring isn't the best, so there is a little bit of problems, but yeah, let's get to the flight. So good. Let's get in there.
Oh my god. It's like it's turned off.
Why does it keep? Yes.
You're like half speed, right?
And like won't fly. I was just like have to
two
go up
motors
and
just
down.
make it better. Oh.
Okay. So obviously this didn't work. It probably used too much power. So because this video is so short, we're just gonna do some bunker landings now. So let's get to it.
Oh my god. Yeah, these are the oh my god. Oh yeah.
Boom.
Alright guys, we're on the bunker now. So as you can see, this place is pretty tiny. And we're going to be taking off of these planes off of the bunker and trying to land on it. So the point behind this, we're trying to pretend this is an aircraft carrier, okay? So we gotta be good at landing. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have like a little square set up here. We have a boundary there, so we're gonna land the planes coming from that side.
Wait, show
I'm
us.
going to land here. Yeah, we're pretty high up. So we're gonna take turns. David's gonna go first, try and get some landings. He's gonna train the battery, and then I'm gonna go. Perfect takeoff.
Yeah, just do flyby over.
Oh no, it's picking out.
It's like really inconsistent.
Like, oh my god. Yeah, these are the sick clips we always get. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
Boom. Oh, nice.
Alright.
First landing, we made it, but obviously not a butter landing. We gotta get some butters in here, so let's go.
Round two.
Wait, the window like switched direction.
Yeah, I know. It's
Wait, do you see that?
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah. How the hell? It just fully swapped direction.
Yeah.
Here, should I like quickly?
I can helicopter.
Here, stay in the air. I'm gonna swap the.
Oh, yeah, swap the thing.
Alright, we have moved everything. They were staying in the air. So the wind doesn't change back again.
Yeah, so now I'm coming in. Other side this time. Too high.
Oh, this right. No.
Yeah,
Bail.
nice under the tree. These planes are so easy to control at low speed, so like, if you need bail, you just give it power and you'll save it.
No. Yeah, that's something that
I
happens
should
a
have
lot.
bailed that. I thought I could send that.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll get the plane, and I guess we'll do like one more, and then he will fly.
Yeah.
So
Alright.
I'm starting to get back into it with the P-51, so let's get a better landing here. Get in
Alright.
the ground this time.
Perfect.
Oh
My
that was
god,
a
it just went
butter.
over the edge.
I hit the one edge where there was no jacket. Oh, sick.
That's like the best short ever.
No, that's sick. Here, do one more flyby, then we'll come for another landing. Oh, that's
yes.
so smooth. That's what happens when you trim up.
Oh my god!
That almost killed me. Holy I was about to say that's what happens when you have
Oh my god, bro! I like forgot to look at the plane for a second, and all of a second it like buzzed my head. Oh my god.
Well, I just gave Hugo a haircut.
Oh my
See, this
god.
is why we sit down, because you literally jumped off the bus.
I was actually like I did jump. I was like,
Okay, one more.
that was
flyby, one
wild.
more.
I wish I had a camera on us right now. That like terrible.
Oh my god.
All right, guys. Okay, guys, we just got the nastiest short. That's gonna be coming out soon on the channel,
Yeah, let's
if it's
just-
not out already.
Yeah, let's just land this thing.
Yeah, we're coming in for a landing now. Boom, and
Nice
they would
landing. Nice
basically grease this.
Okay, I guess.
So now I'm gonna go fly.
This time we got the red P-51. Oh, almost got it.
I have no clue why that battery was so low.
Yeah. Okay, we'll be back.
Alright, so this is round 2, new battery. Hopefully it'll work.
Oh shit.
Alright, this is take 3. I was gonna throw it. I don't feel like having to deal with this anymore.
Oh, what? There's no way.
So sadly, this plane, something is off with like the connection. We tried it multiple times. I think I need to replace this. It's gotten too loose. So we're back with this plane again. I'm just gonna fly it this time. I'm gonna throw it too. I just really want to get at least one landing in. Okay?
Oh my god, it's flying. Yeah. Oh yeah? Oh, I just missed it. Get in here. Yeah, this is perfect entry. Oh shit. Yeah, that's what happened last time. This thing stalls out sometimes.
Alright guys, thank you all for watching. We have tortured the P-51s enough in this video. So make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.